As part of our mission, the Rebuild Gaza team continues to support the most vulnerable and oppressed people in Gaza, in particular the red zone areas. The situation is very desperate. People are just living in the middle of nowhere, and it's very important and vital to make them aware and feel they are not alone. We are standing by them, supporting them as much as we can. And as always, we can't do this without you. Thanks for your support, and thanks for being who you are.
شكرا لفريق رباط غد.
بارك الله فيكم يا عم، حياكم على دعمكم. شكرا لبين غزة، وبارك الله فيكم وشكرا على دعمكم معنا.
شكرا لبين غزة.